This is DIY with Vicky. So like I said in a previous video, I wanted to create my own Pottery Barn garland. So I brought the supplies and we are about to get to it. To the salon. Hey y'all, I got my little setup. We finna get started. Skewers, the twine that they sent. Actually, I need a scissor. I brought some paint. So this is the size that I want. So I'm gonna do 50. I feel like I could just use these, but I have this size and I also have this size. So we might get a little creative or whatever. All right, so I got my towel so I don't mess up my good table. Had to go get a bowl. Y'all know she don't know what she's doing. All right, so there we go. I'm gonna just put a little bit, and I think that's just to make it, to thin it, you know, thin it out a little. Over here. Just to make sure I got all these little spots and stuff. We're gonna play some music while I'm doing this because
it was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
I should have had a towel sitting here in the first place. Oh my goodness. So we're in luck. I have 52 of the large beads and about 80, almost 90 of the little balls, and that should be enough. It's gonna be enough. So once these dry, I'll be back. Clean up, everybody clean up. Hey y'all, I'm back. I think the beads are dry. Hurting sitting down. I kept running into snags where it would not thread, and I tried to pull it to make it longer, and now it won't move. Alright, we at the end. This last bead on. It ain't working for me. So I'm just gonna tie this off. And now stay tuned. There'll be some photos at the end so you can see how I plan on using them.